Welcome back to Top 5 Repairs. How do you know you got a bad drive shaft and it's time to replace it? If you notice vibration going above 40 miles per hour and up, it is possible that the drive shaft might be damaged, it might be bent, the weights on the drive shaft might be missing, or the U-joint might be failing. If you notice vibration and you don't fix the problem, it can actually cause a lot of damage to other components such as the transmission, the transfer case. It can cause damage to the yoke, carrier bearing. It can cause damage to the torque converter, and so on. The next sign it is time to check your drive shaft. It is going to be clunking noise. If you notice clunking noise when shifting from park to reverse or park to drive, or when accelerating, that could be a sign that the U-joint might be bad on the drive shaft. It is important to make sure that there is no play on the U-joint. So what you want to do is you want to grab the drive shaft and you just want to rotate it left and right like this. It should not make a clunking noise or any type of noise, and there should be no excessive movements. The next sign, it is time to check the drive shaft. It is going to be squeaking noise. If you notice squeaking noise coming from the drive shaft area, that is going to be caused by a dried out U-joint. If that U-joint is dried out and it is not lubricated, again, it is going to cause a squeaking noise. If you notice any issue coming from the drive shaft, it is important to inspect the drive shaft. You want to check the drive shaft for dents. You want to make sure that there's no mud on the drive shaft because that can cause a vibration. You want to make sure that there is no missing bolts, and you want to make sure the bolts is not extremely rusted. And also you want to make sure the drive shaft itself is not rusted as well. Also, you want to inspect the U-joint again for play. Make sure there is no excessive movements. Make sure to check the cap on the U-joint. Make sure it is not missing. And also make sure that grease is not leaking out of the U-joint. And if you see little metal parts coming out of the U-joint, that is going to be the bearing. So that's how you know that U-joint is going to be bad and it should be replaced. If you suspect that the drive shaft might be distorted, it is important to test it. What you want to do is you want to buy a dial indicator and you want to place it on the drive shaft and you want to check for maximum runout. If you're having drive shaft issue, it is important to not ignore it, because if you ignore the issue, it is possible that the U-joint on the drive shaft might break, and it is possible that drive shaft might fall out of the vehicle and you're going to hear a loud clunking noise or banging noise. I hope you found this video useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.